Frásaí na seachtaine, Aimsir 2. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. By Friday, try to be able to answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. An chéad lá, an dara lá, an tríú lá, an ceathrú lá, cúige lá, an séú lá, an seachtú lá, an tuchtú lá, an naoú lá. Cén dáta é inniuh on whatever Mr. Maloney said, lá de bhí fiabhra. An neachigh tú ar scoil inné, cúig ar ní neachig, conas bhí an Aimsir, bhí sé fuair, fluc, te, gcuafar, scamalach. An nearna tú dobrabhaile, rinne ar ní nearna. Cá nearna tú é, rinne mé é sa chisteann, sa seomrasaí, sa stadair, sa seomra culata. Cá raibh tú ar maidin, bhí mé sa bhaile, cá bhfuil tú anois, tá mé ar scoil an bhaca tú de cara ar maidin, conaig ar ní aca. What date is today? Today is, were you at school yesterday? Cúig if yes, ní neachig if no. What was the weather like? Did you do your homework? Rinne if the answer is yes, ní nearna if the answer is no. Where did you do it? Sa chisteann, in the kitchen, seomrasaí, sitting room, stadair, study, sa seomra culata, bedroom. Where were you this morning? Sa bhaile at home. Where are you now? Ar scoil, at school. Did you see your friend this morning? Conaig if you did, ní aca if you did not. Notice how the answer to an neachig is cúig or ní neachig. It's past tense. Did you go? I went. I did not go. An nearna, the answer is rinne or ní nearna. And for the question form, you put in on and then a root. N before D, N before D. Cá nearna tú é. Where did you do it? You're looking for a place. Sa chisteann, sa bhaile. Cá raibh tú. Where were you? The answer is going to be V. But then the next question, cá bhfuil, is where are you? So the answer is tá. Back to past tense. An bhaca, did you see? If the answer is yes, conaig. If it's no, ní aca. Try answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. Try get up out of your seats and do some actions. And you must say the words out loud. That's the only way you will build confidence in speaking Irish. Best of luck.